This is NABShow Live.
Andrew Hancock here with NABShow. We are at the ginormous B&H booth with my friend Alan.
Hey, what's up?
We go way back. Alan, take us on a tour of this great booth of yours.
Absolutely. Come follow me. We are here at NAB 2018. Of course, you are at the B&H booth, yes. So one of the great things about B&H is that we have a little bit of everything. Unlike a lot of other booths out here that have their own specific brand, customers can now come down and try everything with unbiased opinions from our sales staff here. So if you ever wanted to try out a Sony camera right next to a Canon camera, you absolutely could, and get every single question answered that you've always been wanting to know.
That's really cool because online you have it's all on the website and everything, and you go from one page to the other. But here you get the chance to get that unbiased opinion where they're like, hey, this is good, this is bad, this is good about this camera, this is bad about that camera, and so that's really cool.
Absolutely, and you know what? We just don't have cameras. We have a lot of things here. So if you take a look over here, we have drones and drone accessories. We have some of the top dogs in the industry. We also have some of the smaller ones if you're interested in that as well. It's no problem.
Yeah, you got this beast from Free Fly here. That thing's insane.
It's huge. It's really great. And then, you know, if you've never seen something like this in person, of course, we have it, obviously, but we can also tell you all about it if you need. We have drone pilots here that are experts in the industry currently that are right behind the counter, so you know that you're getting the best advice.
Excellent. Let's move on. What else we got?
All right, so we also have a variety of monitors, color calibration charts, and a few other things. But most importantly, it's a video show. What do we have? We have video cameras. Let's go check those out.
Yeah, check them out. We got cool lights here to try. Is that a Gemini? What is that light right there?
Oh, yeah, that is a Gemini from Light Panels. It's a 2x1. It's doing a lot of great things, color accurate, very high CRI in that respect. We also have a whole variety of colors to choose from, depending on your artistic needs.
I've heard really good things about that. It's a good option to the Sky Panel.
Absolutely.
But we got cameras on cameras on cameras here.
Cameras, and as I mentioned before, you know, we have cameras for everybody, whether you want something in high-range cinema or if you want to go down to more low-budget stuff with good quality, we still have it. And again, we have experts here to give you a completely unbiased opinion about what you're looking for.
That's fantastic, and they're just sitting back there waiting to answer your questions.
Exactly. How's it going, y'all?
All right, what else have we got?
All right, so apart from cameras, you know, how will you calibrate your cameras? We have color charts, we have focus charts as well. We also have great field monitors too. So if you want to set up a video village, you want to see what your footage is going to look like before you get it into post, of course we have that as well. A variety of monitors that are color accurate, and you can try them out. We have them all connected to the camera so you can see exactly what you're getting. It's no problem.
That's fantastic. You don't really get that at any other booth.
Absolutely right. And then along with that, you know, you got to shoot something. You also got to edit stuff too. So we have a variety of great monitors to choose from as well. And it's not just here in Central Hall. We also have a great post-production setup in the South Hall too. It's really, really, really great.
That's cool. Definitely have to check that out later.
Absolutely. But I should say this, no great film goes without great audio. And of course we have a great professional audio setup, not just for filmmaking. We also have a whole ISO booth here. So if you've ever wanted to try out your singing talent and get some VOs, voiceovers, and a variety of other things too, we have you set up, ready to go right here.
That's awesome. So you can try your talent and then buy the booth and go set it up in your garage,
Absolutely. Everything here is something that we can provide at B&H, which is fantastic. So if you've had interest in that sound foam on top of that at the ISO booth, we can absolutely help you out with that too.
That's really cool. And you guys have like a show special, right, where it's like a curated catalog and there's like specials? Or?
Absolutely right. So if you come down to the B&H booth here at NAB 2018, we do have catalogs sprinkled all over the place, so that will give you all of our up-to-date show specials.
That's awesome. It's not you don't have to be at the show, right? You can go on the website and it's also on there, right?
Absolutely right. We will give the beauty of NAB to anyone who's interested. Just give us a call, go to our website, or download our app via iPhone or Android, and we'll take care of you that way too.
Such nice guys.
Yeah, I know. We're great people. And of course, we have a whole panel of professionals here. If you have questions or if you want to get a quote made, that's no problem at all. Our agents are also here to help out. And we have a full service here too. It's not a problem. But one of the cool big features that we have right now at NAB 2018 is our big studio booth. Come check this out.
I've been seeing that, and I've been kind of intimidated to go look over at it because you got nice cars and expensive equipment, and I want to go check it out.
Absolutely. So if you've ever been interested in how they shoot certain scenes, car scenes, and a variety of others, and yeah, maybe intimidated by this large equipment, we have it here. Come touch, feel, play, and enjoy. We have it all hooked up on a beautiful Mercedes and ready to go, lit up, and all that good stuff too.
Awesome. So walk us through kind of what we got here real quick.
Okay, all right. So we have a variety of things. So we have J.L. Fisher with O'Connor heads. We have RE cameras. We have fly cams. We have tons and tons and tons of stuff. Dynamic cam is here. How shall I go on? Because there's so much to see.
Was this used on Fast and the Furious?
I'm pretty sure Vin Diesel himself was like rubbing up against that camera in the best way. He loves that thing. I'm sure it was. It could have been. I don't know.
only here at NABShow. Awesome. Well, this is mind blowing. This is absolutely exciting. You guys are in Central Hall here.
Absolutely. We're in Central Hall. We're also in South Hall if you want our post-production side of things.
Excellent. And online, obviously, it's
bnhphoto.com, and of course the old saying goes, you go to B&H.
That's right. Anything else?
That's it. You know, come on down. I mean, you could spend the whole day at the B&H Hall alone. This is huge. This is gigantic. And also get a catalog. We have lots of them. Come check it out.
Plenty of people handing them out. That's funny. Exactly. Awesome. Well, Alan, thank you so much for your time. And
anytime.
Have a great show, man.
You too. You too. You guys have a great time. Please come down and see us.